welcome back to my channel, The West Coast Mama. If you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Heather and I am a stay-at-home mom of two. My son Hudson is 5 years old and my daughter Madeleine is actually going to be 3 on Monday. So today I have some weekend motivation for you. This is my weekend catch-up, trying to kind of catch up on all the things that I didn't get to during the week. I guess I mostly focus on downstairs, our main living area, and then upstairs, it falls behind. So this is some laundry organizing and cleaning motivation for you that I did on the weekend, and hopefully you'll be inspired to get a little bit done yourself. As you can see, the rooms are a little bit messy, you could say. Clothes everywhere, toys everywhere. Mess going all the way out into the hall. Anyways, here we go. Let's get started with some laundry.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close. Can you feel it? Something is behind.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so excited to build this amazing community.
We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go.
So my favorite season is coming up, and that is spring. I absolutely love seeing all the leaves and flowers blooming and growing, and all the colors coming back, and it's just such a beautiful time. And I will be brightening up our home as well. So if you'd like to join me for some cleaning and decorating inspiration and motivation, I will have some spring deep cleaning along with some spring decor coming your way in the next week or so.
And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to
So here, my 5-year-old cleaned his own room. He did a fantastic job of putting toys away and getting things up and off the floor, which was fantastic. And it was even adorable, the little things he set up, as you can see here on this shelf. His little treasure chest and a troll in his frame with his baby picture, his superheroes, and it was just adorable to see how he set things up. And he didn't make the bed, but that's okay. There's a million stuffies up there. He has bins for his clothes, and he was able to put all his laundry away. And he even hung his shirts. Super proud of him. So that was his room. I didn't have to do it. I just did this one. Oh dear. Anyways, yes, so Madeleine's room is all back together again. And yeah, feels good.
it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Thank you so much for watching today. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me so much. And if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I offer lots of cleaning and organizing motivation along with some decor tips and inspiration. All right, we'll see you in my next video.